Good morning students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are continuing unit 11. In our previous video we have learned the price at which we purchase something is called its cost price, written as CP, and the price at which we sold something, that is called its selling price, means SP. And we have studied about two cases, that if SP is greater than CP, means selling price is more than the cost price, then we have a profit or gain. And if cost price is greater than selling price, then we have a loss. And the formula is profit equals to selling price minus cost price, and loss equals to cost price minus selling price. With these two formulas, now we are going to start worksheet 2 at page number 140 of our book. There is a new thing, a small new thing in these questions. Let's discuss those. First part is, a vegetable seller bought potatoes for rupees 200. Bought potatoes for rupees 200 means which price is this? Cost price. He spent rupees 20 on transport. The vegetable seller spent rupees 20 on transport of those potatoes and then sold them for rupees 290. Find his profit or loss. So here the price at which potatoes purchased, that is cost price. The price at which potatoes sold, that is selling price. Then what does this 20 mean? This is the new thing here. So beta, this new thing means the overhead expenses, means the transport charges, or sometimes the shopkeeper packs the thing, or construction charges, or we bought a thing then we paint it, or anything else which we spent on the thing and then sold it. Firstly purchased, then spent some rupees on it and then sold the thing. Those extra charges are included in the cost price. Okay, as here cost price of potatoes is rupees 200, transport charges is rupees 220, then total cost price means actual cost price is rupees, we will add these two things, which is rupees 220. Okay, so we will deal with this cost price now. And after this, as the selling price of potatoes is given rupees 290, so now same 290 will be compared with 220. Selling price is greater than cost price, so we have a profit. Formula for profit we know, selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 290, cost price is 220, so profit is rupees 70. Okay, only the difference of some small step is here. The remaining question will same. Okay, the next is B part. Mr. Gupta bought a car for rupees 40,000. He spent rupees 8,000 for painting it. If he sold the car for rupees 53,000, find the gain or loss. Okay, so firstly cost price, then painting charges, and then find the total cost price, then compare it with selling price. Okay, so this question you will do on your own. Come to the next part. Ramlal purchased a plot for rupees 1,35,000. This is the cost price. He constructed a boundary wall around it which costed him 25,500 rupees. So this construction charges will include in cost price. If he sold the plot for rupees 1,90,500, find the gain or loss. So what will we do in this question? Cost price plus construction charges to find the actual cost price, then compare it with selling price. Here cost price of plot is rupees 1,35,000. Construction charges is 25,500. Then to find the actual CP, we will add these two things to get the actual cost price, which is 1,60,500. Then sold the plot for rupees this. After this, what we have to do? We will compare. Here selling price is greater than cost price, so we have a gain, and the formula of gain is here. We can find it easily. Okay, you can calculate it on your own. Come to D part. A merchant bought a sofa set for rupees 18,000. He sold it to his friend for rupees 15,750. Purchased for this, sold for this. If the merchant had spent rupees 2500 on transport, find the gain or loss. The same question as we have done first part of this worksheet. Cost price sofa set is given 18,000. Transport charges is given 2,500. So we will add both the things to get the total cost price of sofa set. This is 20,500. Then after that he sold the sofa set for this 15,750. Now we have to compare this total cost price and this selling price. Now tell me which one is greater? Yes, cost price. So what will we write here? Cost price is greater than selling price. So in this case we have a loss. And the formula for loss is cost price minus selling price, means 20,500 minus 15,750. When I subtract it, I'll get loss equals to rupees 4,750. Okay, this is the loss in buying and selling a sofa set. This completes our D part. Come to the next E part. A property dealer purchased a house for rupees 1,50,000 and spent rupees 15,000 on repairing the house. Cost price is this, repairing charges is this. After 6 months, he sold the house for rupees 2,15,000. Firstly, we will add both the things to get total cost price. Then sold it for this. Find the gain or loss of property dealer. Okay, you can do this question on your own by comparing the total cost price and the selling price. This completes our worksheet 2 and your homework is complete and revise worksheet 2 of unit 11. Thank you.